Assalamu alaikum. I will telling about a short sleeve t-shirt. Now we can start it. First of all, greater front and back bindings, presses and bring them your swing table. And I will tell these first two shoulders is at us. Now, next, stitch these shoulders seam together right side features. Then open stitch so you can see both front and back bindings. Add the sleeve this side to the top. Now we can attach this sleeve side to top. Next, start peeping from the center of to the cap and shoulder seam to this side. Then stitch them together when on overlooking stitch or gauge stitch. Next, after editing this sleeve and this t-shirt, again and stitch this sleeve side and this bindings side together. Right side fitting, then press this seam flat. Neck binding. Flat this neck binding in this half. Necklines. Stitch in together and process flat. Then fold a neckband again, waistwise, process it flat. Bust this neckband to the neckline. Remember the neckband will need to stitch to adjust it to the neckline. Next, when this neckband is ready, use a gauge to overlook stitches. Now, depress this neck binding to the right side. After pressing top stitches, the neckband to the top stitch, want to wait to 1/4 from this it gets. Finally, fold this calf and this hemline 1 inches to the side. Press it flat. Now, gauge this calf and hemline. And that is all. Thank you for watching these full videos, and please make sure any questions put in this comments box. Thank you so much.